Hello guys, and welcome back to EOS Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the Epic Games error code EOS-ERR-1603. So to get started, the first thing you guys can do is simply go to the Epic Games launcher icon. You're going to right click on it and you're going to hit Properties. Now from Properties, you're going to go to the Compatibility tab. You're going to make sure the Run This Program as an Administrator box is checked, and also Run This Program in Compatibility mode for Windows 8. Now once both of those are checked, you can hit Apply and then you can hit OK. And you're going to right click on Epic Games Launcher again. You're going to click on Run as Administrator, and then you're going to click Yes. Now you're going to try to open up the game this way, and now you're just going to basically see if the error code is still there. If your game has been fixed, that's perfect. If the error code still persists, the second method you guys can try to do is to open up Settings. You're going to go to Network and Internet. You're going to go to Advanced Network Settings. You're going to scroll down until you see Network Reset, and then you're going to simply hit Network Reset or Reset Now. Now once this is done resetting, you can also restart your PC. And then after that, you can simply check to see if the error code has been fixed. And after doing all of these things, the error code should be fixed. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a nice day.